Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, and before we jump into the renovation, I wanted to tell you guys a little bit of details about the house that somehow I left out in the first video. So this house is located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. It does have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It technically has 4 spaces that could be bedrooms, but as is, it only has 3 legal bedrooms. The house is about 1,700 square feet and it's all on one level, so they really made use of each square foot of this house so it feels like much more. I don't want to talk too much, so let's get into the footage.
We go round in circles, searching for love. We go up and
So we left off the last video showing you the master bathroom where my dad took the tub shower out while we were on vacation. When we came home, our plumber came by and did a bunch of things for us that we are just not formally qualified to do and don't have the DIY skills to do it ourselves.
you won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. I'm telling them.
The plumber took out the tub spout and drain, installed a mixing valve for the shower, and raised the shower head about 8 inches. He installed the shower floor pan. He installed the new cutoff valves for the hot and cold water for the shower, and then he replaced the main shutoff valves for the entire house. While we were on vacation, my dad also replaced the back door and the whole door frame because there was so much rotted wood damage on this back door frame that you could see lots of daylight coming in the bottom of the door. So once Dre and I tagged back into the projects we needed to tackle, I started off in this bathroom. So many people told me they were interested in this bathroom, so I wanted to include it in this video. This is the before, just to refresh your memory. When I got started, I was anticipating having to put a lot of elbow grease into scrubbing this cigarette tar. I started out using Method spray cleaner, and to my surprise, when I wiped it, the tar came off pretty easily. I did have to repeat this process a couple of times over all the surface in the bathroom, but I did get most of it to come off. I did take measures to protect myself while I did this. I wore gloves, glasses, hoodie, long pants, long sleeve shirt, basically anything to cover my skin because I didn't want any of this residue touching me at all. I wore the respirator just to make sure I wasn't breathing in the tar as it was being removed, but also to avoid inhaling the cleaners because the bathroom did not have ventilation.
We go round in circles, searching for love. We go up and down, lost and found, searching for love. Looking for something that lives inside me. Looking for something that lives inside me. You won't break my soul. 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 I'm telling
After I got it cleaned and dried, I hit the most damaged spots on the walls and then the whole entire ceiling with the Kills Restoration Primer. It's a top level primer and I still had to spray it twice to block all the stains from bleeding through, even ones that I couldn't see on the ceiling without the primer. So this primer comes in a white can with a blue label. This room was the room destined to become my office, and since I already had the primer and the paint sprayer, I went ahead and primed and painted the ceiling in here too. So this is what the kitchen / dining room door frame looked like before. Recall that we stopped taking the wall down once we realized it needed a header. Step 1 of any big project, stare at it for a little while. You gotta really look at it hard, then measure some stuff. I'm kidding, but this project was all my dad's thing. I was cool with leaving it as is to avoid taking on another project, but he was so adamant that it needed to be done. So really, I was just extra hands during this project. I did learn a lot, and any day I get to use power tools is a good day. And don't tell him this, but he was right. It looks and functions so much better without that pass-through, and I was able to do something really cool with this space, so stay tuned.
We go round in circles, searching for love. We go up and down, lost and found, searching for love. Looking for something that lives inside me. Looking for something that lives inside me. You won't break my soul.
Blades at. So, and you gotta follow the blade. The easiest way to look is from that side. And where you're at, that's too much.
What we have accomplished.
Look at that. Wide open.
Looks good.
But the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with a yak in your mouth. And we back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside.
Y'all, I did so much shopping throughout this project. I was on a first name basis with the girls in the Sherwin-Williams store, and in Lowe's, and in Home Depot, and in Floor & Decor, and Home Emporium. But don't judge me. This day, I went to Lowe's, Floor & Decor, and a random flooring store that I just happened to drive past on my way home. I was looking for bathroom vanities and flooring options. Let me know if y'all are interested in these shopping vlog style clips and if you want to continue to see me debate my design choices in the store. This one on the bottom is a good price. And it's 5 millimeters. 12 mil layer. That's $179. I hate floors that are this warm. I don't want that warm. Clearance floor. Clearance floor. This one has 6.5 millimeters. 22 millimeters. But this floor might as well be white. This is not gonna do it for me. It's not gonna do it. If you like this video and want to see more of the renovation, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next upload.
It's been interesting. It's been
What did you do?
educational, informative. Some floors come up easy, some floors don't.
That's fair. I know I asked you about the paint colors last week, and I promise to show you the color we chose next week. Stick with us. Bye.